In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ME Office 1100 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows real-time protection and the temper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download these resetter or adjustment programs. The link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click on the files and select Extract All. Click Extract button here. After that, open the Resettle folder and run the adjustment programs. Then click Accept. In here, you can directly click particular adjustment mode button and choose Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick Pad Counter and other pad counters, then click Check button. After that, you can click Initialization button. If the resetting process is successfully, you can just click Finish. If you face error here, you can just try move your USB printer into another port available on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. After all done, you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how you can reset Epson ME Office 1100 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comments. Thanks for watching.